Hey, how's it going, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new to the channel, my name is Big Ball Vlogs. I do reviews, news, everyday vlogging, and every once in a while I'll do a tutorial. If this video is educational or somewhat entertaining, please consider smashing that like button and subscribe to the channel for new videos when I post them. So, had some spare time and I wanted to try something that I've seen people do with other versions of the Dji Mavic drone, and that was attaching a 360 camera to the drone, and I wanted to see like what I would get out of doing this. So I have the Gopro Max. This is the latest GoPro 360 camera, and I had to figure out how to get it on the drone and whether or not it will fly. And I gotta admit, it wasn't as easy as I thought it would be. There are some accessories for other drones that allow you to just simply bolt your camera to the drone. I didn't have those. I looked online, couldn't find them, so I had to take some accessories and make one. This is a chunky camera. It weighs 200 grams with the accessories. So the drone kind of flies forward on an angle. I would hate for this thing to tip over too far forward and go tumbling out of the sky. So I got an additional accessory and the helmet mount, and I mounted it directly to the battery, placing it a little bit behind the button on the battery, but using this L bracket here to, or not L bracket, this bending bracket to kind of get the camera directly over center of gravity of the drone. It worked, and I got up in the sky and I did some flying around with it. What I wanted to do with this experiment was see how I could keyframe and use this additional footage for B-roll or for an additional point of view or perspective. And after doing the 360 video, I thought I would do a side-by-side comparison of how the action camera mounted to the nose of this drone compared side-by-side to the actual footage coming out of the DJI drone. And I shot both in 2K to kind of keep it sort of apples to apples. The drone has the ND filter, so it may actually have given it the advantage. Drone came in for a stop and it was using the braking feature. It caused a little bit of instability. Tell me what you think. Tell me whether or not you've tried this experiment before. Do you think it's worth, mounting this additional weight to get some alternate perspectives? Thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting the channel. I'll talk to you later. Bye.